What's... Oh, come on! What is this thumbnail? Why did you replace that anime character's normal face with the woman face? Oh my god, I didn't know Roblox can get this cursed.
Yourself for the amount of brain damage these moves may cause.
Really? Do they cause brain damage?
Not behind a random family's home.
Who the heck are you?
Oh my god. Free live Roblox twice concert. How was she hanging from the ceiling? I like the animation. Traumatizing.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on! I was waiting for something cool to happen. Oh, nursing home. I remember when the people threw Jumpy Turtle. No, I don't remember that.
Hi, I'm Bunny.
Okay.
Hey, I'm Z. What's up?
You mean Zed?
Hi, I'm Oliver.
Nice to meet you, Oliver. I'm Dad.
Hey everybody, I'm Ben. Hello there, I am Malachi. What's up?
That's a really cool name.
Hi, I'm Echo. Hey everyone, I know I look like
Why does... Hold on. Why did she say ooh, but when you heard the audio, she never said that. I guess she does say it, but I think they cut it out. I don't know.
shit, but it's rad. Hi. Hey everybody, my name's Theo.
Saya, what?
Hold on. See, look. See, this is ugly. We know you have ADHD because you're
what?
special ed. See, you're bald, you look like Mr. Clean, and you build like him too. What you talking about? Looking like Dr. Phil, and you build like him too. See, look at this local outfit. It's given, oh my god, I just got winged, but I don't know how to style it. I shouldn't have got this face. This is what you look like in real life. This is what you wish you look like in real life. You be looking like a vampire wannabe. Like, what is this? What is this?
What's with these? Oh no.
You look like a wannabe Q-cord. You look like you be posting jump scares on the steroids. This also looks like a wannabe EKN. How many headless men you got? Yeah. This one does too. Like, what is this? This is ugly. This is terrible. I know. This one's ugly. This one's ugly. Take it off immediately. This one's ugly. This is what you look like in real life. Your head shape is the same shape. You look like an EKN. You look like a the hood try hard named Bella. No offense to my friend, I love you. Disgusting. You would look like this in real life. Absolutely disgusting. Throw it away.
Hey, that's the same. One of the hairs on this outfit is the same hair that I have on my avatar.
Shoot myself. This is ugly. This is what you look like in 2016. You look like another EKN. Look at all these EKNs. Like, what is this? It's given. I still try to stop.
You almost bought it, didn't you?
But I still don't know how. What is this? All of these get zeros. Where you close at? Zero.
Roblox FNF on your laptop at 3 a.m. while calling Roblox support. Skibidi Toilet will pick up. And Freddy Fazbear will appear behind you and try to whiz you up.
There is a 0.0000004 chance you will.
And you will be greeted with the forbidden sussy milk. In approximately T-minus 5,000 milliseconds, John Pork will be calling.
Oh yes, I want to call John Pork.
Good thing you didn't answer the call. If you answered, you would have been sucked into a quantum portal and sent to the Skibidi toilet layer of eternal sus activities.
Oh, come on! Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Alright. Oh yes. This is Roblox in real life. Ninja wanted a girl, but he was a nerd. So he started training. And he became a super pro. The music in the background has to be low quality for the meme to actually be low quality. Then he became rich. Then she got back. No. Oh yes. Their arms have been ripped off. True Roblox fashion. What's up? Waiting in the supermarket for my mom to finish talking with the phone. What's this music in the background? Tell me in the comments.
This self-die is sponsored by NordVPN.
Coppa, don't get mad at me. Somebody else got sponsored by that VPN. I hope this is Roblox Man 945. He's a legend.
Look, lady, whatever you're selling, I ain't buying, yo.
Breaking
Well,
Bad.
my name is Skylar White, yo. My husband is Walter White, yo. Uh-huh.
Yeah? Huh?
He told me
You
everything.
told me everything.
Seriously?
That's right.
That's right. Yay, M&M's.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god. Yes. Drip. You guys remember what girls were
Posting
super popular?
about ballers. I'm tired of seeing it. My friends on TikTok send ballers. On Discord, ballers. I was just doing origami, right? And all the channels were just ballers. Also, my super stuff.
What? What? Why do I see slide left or right to seek? Did somebody just record over this thing? What is going on here?